welcome to part 6 of the 8.5 metre by 7.5 metre L-shaped log cabin we're building over at my office, which is Will & Lots Garden Centre. So, day 6, what do I want to achieve? I want to get some windows in, some door frames in for sure, get the building up to roof height if I can. So that's the aim, that's the ambition. You know what I'm going to do first? I'm going to make myself a cup of tea and then crack on. Gone all dark, the clouds are rolling in. We were due rain a bit earlier, but I think it's moved itself on a little bit later. That's fine. We're ready for our cutout pieces. We need to find them first because they're still buried in a pallet with boards and stuff on top. So we're gonna move them. Mark's gonna dig the cutouts out. I'm gonna have a cup of tea made for him. And then as soon as we've had that tea, we're gonna start putting the cutouts in. I'm not 100% sure if we're gonna get the windows in, but we'll see, we'll see. Cup of tea, let's go. And that is all she wrote for part 6. We've got most of the apexes up, which I'm happy about. We've got about half an hour left of tomorrow to get the rest of the apexes in and the roof joists we're going to start on after that. And then we can start putting some roof boards on and making it a building. So make sure you're subscribed for part 7. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thumbs down if you didn't, up to you. If there's anything you need to know or you want to know or there's anything you want to see, put it in the comments and I'll reply to you and I'll try and include it in one of the next parts. I'm going to put the rest of my socials down in the description, so if you like live streams, which I do on TikTok, Instagram or Facebook, you can follow me there too and you'll get to see me perhaps live in the flesh almost on a live stream. So if you enjoyed it, again, thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys part 7.